Hello and welcome to Get Railed. Today, as you can see, I am at Alton Towers. Today is the first day of their annual Halloween event, Scarefest. It is also the opening day of Hex, The Legend of the Towers, which has been shut for nearly 2 years. So we're going to go and see some of the scare mazes, some of the new Halloween theming and all that kind of stuff. So let's see what we can see. First ride of the day, it's going to be Wicker Man. Woo! Now, one thing that is worth noting is that some of the ride openings during Scarefest are staggered. So I've made my way up to Wicker Man first, and then we're going to make our way up to Forbidden Valley. So let's see how quick we can get on this. I think it's going to be empty, so we shall see.
We have beyond. For hundreds of years, our family has lived in these woods, led by the spirit of the Wicker Man. The elders told us of a day when he would rise to give us freedom and eternal well-being. But to start that ritual, we must present him with a gift. And that gift is you. An honor to see yourself bound in wicker, encased in his soul, and you see yourself in him. The time has come for the Wicker Man to rise. Together we shall feed the flame. Let the ceremony commence.
Well, Wicker Man was stunning as always. What a great way to start the day. I've just seen that Nemesis is on a 5-minute queue, so I'm going to dash up to there. Why not? Now with these staggered ride openings, it does mean that no one area is fully open at 10 o'clock. Now for me, not being bothered about Galactica, I'm absolutely fine to walk up to Nemesis and me be done with Forbidden Valley. But it's worth noting that the staggered openings might affect the rest of your day. When you're walking up this path toward Forbidden Valley, you can see here an old bit of the old log flume. So sad.
Your safety is our #1 priority. Here, within the containment zone, we have implemented cutting-edge security measures in machine systems. These technologies are meticulously
Nemesis was as styling as ever. It's 10 past 11 now, so I'm going to quickly smash out the curse, and it's time to get over to Hex for the opening. Coming up to the new Scare Maze this year compound. I think the Curse at Alton Manor has one of the best soundtracks out there. So I'm very excited to hear it playing in this graveyard. Woo!
On the 31st of December, 1891, Mr. and Mrs. Alton held the turning of a new year. However, on the final chime of midnight, of supernatural proportions, all the use of new. Please watch your step if you're dying to make an offer.
Just had my ride there on Curse at Alton Manor, as always. I love that ride. The tunnel still isn't winning. The tunnel still isn't spinning, but you know, everything else seemed to be working great. I love that ride. We're just walking through the Haunted Hollow now because it is 11:25 and I feel like I want to get to Hex to see the opening. It's meant to open at 12, so I'm gonna get down there and see what I can find. So nice to be able to walk down here by the towers again and Hex finally be open after these years. Let's see if these changes have been worthwhile. I hope they haven't changed too much. It was perfect as it was. So yeah, after a few years of missing Hex, it was really great to get back in there. They hadn't changed much. The music was the same, the story was the same, everything was the same, which is exactly what I wanted. Even the smell was the same. So that was so nice to get back in there. As I say, I have so many memories of it from when I was younger, so I loved that. I've made my way to the Dark Forest to try 13. They've just opened a single rider key, so let's see what this is saying. Okay, so a lot has happened. I used the single rider queue at 13, which turned out to be great. I think the queue wasn't that long. I think it was half an hour, but I got on there in 5 minutes. Love to see it. I used the single rider on the Smiler. The queue for that was 40 minutes. I walked straight on. Love to see that. So I did it again. Waited another like 5 minutes next time, but I love to see it. I love these single rider queues that are coming back. Highly recommend. Then I did Oblivion, waited 5 minutes for that. So it's been an incredibly successful afternoon. It is now 2:30. I'm going to head back to Forbidden Valley to do Nemesis, and then I'm going to try and do Compound on the way back. So we'll have a see. So I've just come off Nemesis for the second time and the queue is empty. So I'm gonna go again. Because why wouldn't you? It really is amazing. I love so much what they've done with it. So I'll give it another go. It's market research.